How to start affiliate marketing, zero to rich in 2023. Welcome to this exciting video on affiliate marketing, where we'll take you from zero to rich in 2023. If you're looking to make money online, affiliate marketing is a fantastic opportunity to earn passive income by promoting products and services you believe in. But let's be real here, we're not talking about get-rich-quick schemes or overnight success. Instead, we're talking about a legitimate business model that requires hard work, patience, and dedication. In this video, we're going to cover everything you need to know to get started in affiliate marketing. From understanding what it is, to choosing a profitable niche, building a website, building relationships with merchants and customers, tracking and analyzing your results, and much more. But don't worry, we won't bore you with a ton of technical jargon or confuse you with complex strategies. We'll break everything down into simple and easy to understand steps, so you can start your affiliate marketing journey with confidence. So, whether you're a seasoned marketer looking to expand your revenue streams or a newbie just starting out, this video is for you. So, grab your notepad and pen, get ready to take some notes, and let's dive into the exciting world of affiliate marketing. Alright, let's start with the basics of affiliate marketing. What is it exactly? Well, it's like being a matchmaker between a customer and a merchant. As an affiliate, you promote the merchant's product or service to your audience, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's that simple. Now, let's talk about the key players in affiliate marketing. First, there's the affiliate. That's you. You're the one promoting the product or service to your audience. Next, there's the merchant, who's the one selling the product or service. And finally, there's the customer, who's the one buying the product or service. Think of it like this. You're the wingman or wingwoman, the merchant is the bachelor or bachelorette, and the customer is the lucky person who ends up with the bachelor or bachelorette. As for popular affiliate programs and niches, there are tons out there. Some examples include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Commission Junction. And when it comes to niches, there's a wide range to choose from, such as beauty, health and fitness, technology, and even pet products. The key is to find a niche that aligns with your interests and passions, and has the potential to be profitable. So, whether you're a matchmaker looking for love, or an affiliate marketer looking to make some cash, understanding the basics of affiliate marketing is crucial to your success. And now that we've got that covered, let's move on to the next step. Part 2, choosing a niche and products to promote. Choosing the right niche is like choosing the right outfit for a first date. It's crucial. You want to make sure you're picking a niche that has the potential to be profitable, and also aligns with your interests and passions. Why is it important to choose a profitable niche, you may ask? Well, if you're promoting products in a niche that doesn't have a lot of demand, or doesn't have a lot of potential customers, then you're not going to make a lot of money. It's like trying to sell snow to penguins, it's just not going to work. But fear not, my friends, because there are plenty of profitable niches out there. And the best part is, you can choose a niche that you're passionate about, so promoting products won't feel like a chore. For example, if you're into health and fitness, you could promote supplements, workout gear, or even fitness programs. If you're into travel, you could promote travel packages, luggage, or even language learning programs. Now, when it comes to researching and choosing products to promote, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, you want to make sure the product is high quality and something you would personally use or recommend. Second, you want to make sure the product has a good commission rate, so you can earn a decent income. And third, you want to make sure the product is in demand and has a good reputation. So, whether you're a fashionista looking to promote the latest trends, or a foodie looking to promote kitchen gadgets, choosing a profitable niche and products to promote is the first step to success in affiliate marketing. And with a little bit of research and passion, you'll be well on your way to earning those sweet, sweet commissions. Part 3, creating a website and building an audience. Alright, it's time to get technical, but don't worry, we'll keep it simple and fun. As an affiliate marketer, having a website is crucial to your success. It's like having your own little corner of the internet to showcase your niche and the products you're promoting. Now, when it comes to creating a website, there are a few things to keep in mind. First and foremost, you want to make sure your website is user-friendly and visually appealing. This means having a clear and easy-to-navigate layout, using high-quality images and graphics, and having a color scheme that's easy on the eyes. But don't get too caught up in the aesthetics. You also want to make sure your website is optimized for search engines, or in other words, SEO. This means using keywords and meta tags that will help your website rank higher on search engines like Google. So, now that you've got your website up and running, how do you drive traffic to it and build an audience? Well, one way is through social media. You can create profiles on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, and share your affiliate links with your followers. But remember, don't just spam them with links. Make sure you're providing value and engaging with your audience. Another way to drive traffic to your website is through other marketing strategies, such as email marketing, guest blogging, and paid advertising. The key is to experiment and see what works best for your niche and audience. So, whether you're a web design guru or a social media butterfly, creating a user-friendly website and building an audience through SEO and marketing strategies is essential to your success as an affiliate marketer. And with a little bit of creativity and hard work, you'll be well on your way to earning those commissions. Part 4. Building relationships with merchants and customers. Alright, it's time to talk about the importance of relationships, not just in dating, but in affiliate marketing too. Building strong relationships with both merchants and customers is crucial to your success as an affiliate marketer. First, let's talk about merchants. These are the businesses and companies that you're promoting products for. Building a good relationship with them can lead to higher commissions, exclusive offers for your audience, and even potential collaborations. So, how do you find and join affiliate programs? Well, you can start by doing a simple Google search for affiliate programs in your niche, or by checking out affiliate networks like SamerAI or Rakuten Marketing. Once you find a program that aligns with your niche and values, you can apply to become an affiliate and start promoting their products. Now, let's talk about customers. Building trust and loyalty with your audience is key to making sales and earning those commissions. So, how do you promote products in a way that adds value and builds trust? First and foremost, you want to make sure you're promoting products that you believe in and would actually use yourself. This means doing your research and being honest with your audience about the pros and cons of the products you're promoting. You can also provide value by creating informative and engaging content, such as product reviews, tutorials, and comparisons. And don't forget to engage with your audience and respond to their comments and questions. So, whether you're a relationship guru or a marketing mastermind, building strong relationships with merchants and customers is essential to your success as an affiliate marketer. And by promoting products in a way that adds value and builds trust, you'll be well on your way to earning those sweet commissions. Part 5. Tracking and analyzing your results. Alright, it's time to talk about everyone's favorite topic, numbers. As an affiliate marketer, tracking and analyzing your results is crucial to your success. It's like having your own personal scoreboard to see how well you're doing. But why is tracking your results so important? Well, it allows you to see what's working and what's not, so you can optimize your campaigns and maximize your earnings. It's like playing a game of chess. You need to be able to analyze your moves and make strategic decisions based on your opponent's moves. So, how do you track your results? One way is through analytics tools, such as Google Analytics or Clicky. These tools allow you to measure your traffic, clicks, and conversions, so you can see which pages and products are performing the best. You can also see where your traffic is coming from, such as search engines, social media, or other referral sources. Now, once you have this data, how do you optimize your campaigns based on your results? Well, one way is by experimenting with different strategies, such as different keywords, ad copy, or landing pages. You can also try targeting different audiences or niches to see what works best. The key is to be flexible and willing to try new things based on your results. So, whether you're a numbers nerd or a strategic mastermind, tracking and analyzing your results is essential to your success as an affiliate marketer. And by optimizing your campaigns based on your data, you'll be well on your way to earning those big commissions and dominating the game of affiliate marketing. And there you have it, folks. We've covered the basics of affiliate marketing, from understanding what it is and how it works, to choosing a profitable niche, building a website, and building relationships with merchants and customers. We've also talked about the importance of tracking and analyzing your results, so you can optimize your campaigns and maximize your earnings. Now, I want to remind you that affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes hard work, patience, and dedication to succeed. But with the right strategies and mindset, you can turn affiliate marketing into a lucrative source of passive income. So, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel for more tips and strategies on affiliate marketing, as well as other exciting topics in the world of AI business. Our goal is to be the first AI channel to reach 1 million subscribers, and with your help, we can make it happen. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.